I've spent the better part of my adult life in uniform. I have served the country from the days of the liberation struggle through the formation of the Zimbabwe National Army, through the regional deployments, through the institutional reforms, and through the years of quiet service that most citizens never see and rarely think about. I'm not a politician. I have never sought public office. I do not speak in the language of the party manifesto or a campaign rally. Sarabina Mashugo, Jona Mata General Achitaura, it was subscribed by got on the bill icon. Tinda Payendo, Retired General, Winston Skokima Branca of Rachita. I speak in the language of the field. I speak in the language of command, accountability, institutional duty, and above all, the welfare of the men and the women under one's charge. And by extension, the welfare of the nation, those men and women are sworn to protect. It is from that place, and only from that place, that I offer this assessment of General Constantino Chiwenga and why I believe his presidency would represent a genuinely different chapter in Zimbabwe's independence governance history. I do not make this argument lightly. I have watched this country from the inside for 5 decades. I have seen what works, and I have seen at far closer range than most what has failed, and I have reached the conclusion that Zimbabwe has not yet had a leader whose fundamental character is shaped by years of discipline, institutional loyalty, and command responsibility was suited to the demands of governing a broken state back to health. General Chiwenga is that leader. Zimbabwe is not yet had a leader whose fundamental character was suited to governing a broken state back to health. General Chiwenga is that leader. Doma development Zarunda Pango ine atukuna kuti General Winston Skokima Pranga alikuya achindosa VP Constantino Chiwenga achiti aiwa ndiye munhu one ari best suited aiwa kuya achimirana nenyika yeZimbabwe achibatsira kunavigata through all these problems amuri kuona pinda comment section medu dzafunga muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chit on the bell icon.